Good morning class 7. Welcome back to the online class. I hope everybody is excited today. If not everybody, most of you must be excited after reading the news, after knowing that very soon our schools will reopen. We'll be having our offline classes back most probably by 2nd of August. Anyways, till then, let's continue with our online session. So today we'll discuss algebraic expressions. Before we come to an algebraic expression, let us first understand quantities. There are two types of quantities: constant quantities and variable quantities. What is a constant quantity? Any quantity whose magnitude remains unchanged no matter what the condition is. Say for example, let's take a number 7. 7 will always remain 7 no matter on what part of the globe you are standing. Its value, its magnitude will always be 7. So it is a constant. Constant मतलब स्थिर, जो move नहीं करेगा. Next we have variable quantities. The word says vary plus able. Any quantity which has the ability to vary its magnitude, अपना magnitude change कर सके. Such quantities are known as variable quantities. Using these constants and variables, when we express a literal statement into a mathematical statement, is called algebraic expression. So algebraic expression is nothing but mathematical statement of a literal statement. एक example से समझते हैं इसको. For instance, someone says 5 times the area of this rectangular field is equal to 500 meters. Okay. Now, if there is a rectangle, definitely you have length, you have breadth B, area will be L into B, 5 times the area, 5 into L into B. This is equal to 100 meters. So we have 5 LB equal to 100. So what have we done? We have expressed a literal statement into a mathematical statement. This is an algebraic expression. Very simple, children. This is an algebraic expression. So here 5 is a constant quantity, 100 is a constant quantity. They are never going to change. L and B are the unknown quantities. They are variable. Why? Because L and B may have different values for different rectangles. Got it? So if L represents the length, for different rectangles the values will be different for L. The same goes with B. So they are variable quantities. So using variables and constants, what have we done? We have expressed a literal statement into mathematical statement. Got it, children? So you can have any number of variables, you can have any number of constants. 4x square y minus 3xy square plus 46. This is an algebraic expression. Something has been expressed. एक छोटा सा फर्क होता है. If you have equality equal to something, then this becomes an algebraic equation. अगर आपके पास equal to का sign नहीं है, so this is an algebraic expression. इतना ही फर्क है. If you have equality sign, it is an equation. Algebraic equation. If you don't have the equality sign, it is an algebraic expression. Simple expression. Okay. अब इस expression में क्या होता है? These are the terms. 1, 2, 3. These are the terms. How many terms are there? 3 terms are there. Okay. Now, in each term, you may have variables and constants both, or you may have just constant. So if I consider this term 4x square y square, so this number 4 is the coefficient. For this term, what is the constant multiplied by xy square? Xy square is the variable quantity, minus 3. So minus 3 is the coefficient. So these are the coefficients. In this term, we only have the constant quantity, we do not have variable. So we don't have to call it as coefficient. Coefficient तभी बोलेंगे when you have a constant quantity along with the variable quantity. Then we call it as a coefficient. Here it is just a term. Okay. Now how to categorize algebraic expressions. If there is just one term, it is called a monomial. Mono means one. If there are two terms, it is called binomial. Bi means two. If there are three terms, it is called trinomial. If there are four terms, we call it tetranomial. If there are five terms, we call it pentanomial. In that way. Okay. So इंग्लिश में एक लैटिन भाषा से चुराया हुआ वर्ड है पॉली. पॉली का मतलब होता है बहुत सारे, मेनी, राइट. सो जैसे इन हिंदी यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड एक वचन, बहुवचन. टू और मोर देन टू मीन्स बहुवचन. So any algebraic expression which has two or more than two terms can be called as a polynomial. Polynomial, many terms. अब वो many terms 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, so polynomial एक general word है. वो सब algebraic expressions के लिए जिनके अंदर term number of terms 2 या more than 2. पर्टिकुलरली अगर हम बात करेंगे टू टर्म्स बाइनोमियल, थ्री टर्म्स ट्राइनोमियल, फोर टर्म्स टेट्रानोमियल, फाइव टर्म्स पेंटानोमियल, सिक्स टर्म्स हेक्सानोमियल एंड सो ऑन. ओके, तो सबको एक जनरलाइज्ड एक फॉर्मेट दे दिया, वर्ड दे दिया पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, सो दिस वाज अबाउट अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस, राइट. फर्दर मोर विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.